Today is a day we have been looking forward to for many years, because we are presenting a revolutionary innovation to you today.
We want to tear down walls between the process steps that don't belong there, and we want to put together what belongs together. We want the complete reprocessing of instruments in just one single solution.
Does what we see here really make sense? Isn't it much more sensible to combine all these process steps in one device? Put an end to isolated applications and focus on what really matters, the safety of your patients, with our 4-in-1 solution.
And since the reprocessing is just as varied as the instruments in your practice themselves, there's not just one care box, but 2 care boxes. So clear the stage for Carebox Blue and Carebox Green. The Carebox Blue is used for all instruments that require not only intensive cleaning and disinfection, but also careful care. Instruments such as handpieces and turbines. The Carebox Green is used for all other hollow body instruments that do not require care. Instruments such as ultrasonic scalar tips. But also prophylaxis handpieces and other hollow body instruments can be adapted in the Carebox Green. We have therefore installed a care station that can take over this important task. Ergonomically placed directly on the door, it reminds you of the so important instrument lubrication every time you open and close the device. We call this care station AdCare.
As you have already seen in the video, Careclave helps to protect instruments from corrosion while reducing costs. Our 4-in-1 solution is not only significantly cheaper to purchase than individual units with comparable results, but also spares no comparison. On the contrary, Careclave significantly reduces running costs.
I hope you are ready for the revolution.
The future of instrument reprocessing in the dental practice.
The art of engineering, 100% made in Germany, developed and produced at our company headquarters in Berlin.
The most innovative solution in instrument reprocessing for the protection of your instruments, for the protection of your patients, and moreover, for you and your team.
The future of instrument reprocessing is called Careclave.